Racing just is started. We have friendly fire. First to show quickness at the start. Perfect pass. Then on the outside, touch of class. Golden Square Counselor comes next. Simple Beauty alongside Flash Away. Down on the inside is Golden Hurry. While Senior J is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Perfect Pass followed closely by Touch of Class. 2 lengths further back in third comes Friendly Fire. Golden Square Counselor comes next. Simple Beauty. Alongside now is Flash Away Golden Hurry. While Senior J is still racing and less back to the leader. We have Perfect Pass by a length and a half. And in second is Touch of Class. Down on the inside third Friendly Fire. Counselor now coming closer in fourth. Then next online now is Golden Square. Flash Away. Moving up now on the outside. Down on the inside is Simple Beauty. Golden Hurry. While Senior J is still racing in less. And they are now entering the home stretch. The lead now belongs to Friendly Fire. Moving up down on the inside. Find some opening is Simple Beauty. We have Friendly Fire by our length and a half. Followed by Simple Beauty in second. Then on the outside, Flash Away Counselor. And finally, it's going to be Friendly Fire. Simple Beauty, Flash Away. Then comes Counselor. Perfect Pass.
Ano yun ay? 1587.
3. Friendly Fire with JT Zarate, cross